What's happened to that? Beauties at HGV pump. If you're from America, we don't get those. We don't normally get them on normal pumps. You only get them on HGV pumps, and then half the time they don't work. But an HGV pump pumps diesel faster. That'll do. I won't spend too much. 125. Get a bit last drop. Oh, when I pulled up, it looked like it was brand new.
Yeah, it was green before.
That's not a bad job, is it?
You want to see underneath them panels?
Oh yeah.
It absolutely went straight through it.
Well, it's put enough. It's put enough life back into it, though, isn't it?
Oh, it looks transparent again.
Yeah. Plenty serviceable, though, isn't it?
New panels on it.
Not been started for a while. This I've been on some steel tankers using their machine for a good couple of weeks, so it's about 3 weeks this has been sat. Beautiful. Yeah, I showed me switching that on. That's for my fans for this cooler. Yeah, they're on. That cooler only cools air. I need a bit better system here because this is dropping down now. I need to sort that out. But yeah, that's just cooling air because it's quite hard to separate moisture out of hot air. So cooler does all that for me, and then my water traps can take over. Well, while that's warming up, I'll just do a quick walk round. So today is quite a biggish job. So they started rubbing it down and realised it's not going to be as nice as what it would be if they had it blasted, so they've gone down blasting route. From base to that rubbing rail there. It is a big boat, but I've got quite a lot of room. I say quite a lot of room because the last wide beam that we did, it was quite tight and I couldn't get in right. But this one's not too bad now. Hey, look at this. There's even sheeted it all up and put some ply lining all over it. Not ply, chipboard. OSB is it? Let's get in here now, this place. This is next thing on the agenda is getting an extractor unit set off up there. So that's what he's planning on. So we're going all the way underneath basically. All the way up to that bit there. It's going to be a slab today. But I've done one of these in day before, so it should be alright. Should be alright. It should. If all goes well. That is a big bleeding boat, this like. I bet it was close to the top when it was full of water, this. Oh, I bet it was close. I can't get across front no more, they've done away with walkway. Yeah, that's compressor just changing note, letting me know that it's warm. So, I'm going to head that way. Oh yeah, if you're wondering how they do this, see canal there? Wait a minute. Canals there. These little sections that go in one at a time and then they clamp them down. Stops hot water coming, well, tries to stop hot water coming in. And then this, this dock works. They've got a big pump here, and this pump pumps it out, and then there's a little pump that takes over for just trying to keep on top on it. So so that big one's not kicking in all the time. Little pump will do whatever it needs to do to keep it down. Obviously keeps it down, pumping it out, and then if it does get too much for it, that's when big one will kick in. And then just drains all the dock. And when they're putting it back out, when it's getting floated, they just crack these ball valves. I won't like to be in there while they're cracking that light, and then they've got to try and crack them ball valves and then run out to the ladder and not get drowned. But it's not a bad little system, that. I like the idea of that. Used to use railway sleepers, sliding them in, but obviously timber. Well, I don't know about metal, that's got to stand test of time, whereas wooden ones, they started bowing in, there were big gaps in them and stuff. So I was getting piss wet fruit jobs were getting wet. This is a lot better, this. Right, I'll head that. I'm just gonna press this one here. I've rerouted my water traps. So there's one there, and there's one under there. So that'll just start leaking a bit of water out throughout there, but it's separating from cooler. And just to give a bit of perspective on how big it is. Right, so floor's dry. Can you see when it's failed? That's bad prep last time round. So they've just painted over what looks like blacking, and I think that might be 2-pack. I might have dropped a bollock here. Oh, look at that. I doubt they've put that on. I very much doubt they've put that on. Right, better make a start. Oh yeah, for people that's new, sandblasting, I'm going to fire sand at it under compressed air to sand all this lot off and get it back to bare metal. I just thought I'd explain that because there's a few new people that turn up on these videos that don't understand what blasting is. So all it basically is I'm firing it through nozzle, wherever the nozzle's gone. Oh, it's up there. We're firing sand down my pipe through that nozzle, and I've got a control there where I can turn it on and off. And then I've got another line that goes to my helmet. Yeah, it's gaffer taped up, but it'll be fine. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Something's happening up. Oh, it's pump's kicked in. Right, let's crack on. That's my trigger button. I bang it under the trigger and it keeps it on for me. It's a big job this. And I think it's got filler on it. Full of 2-pack. My arm's getting wet. I'll be honest with you, I'm not very comfortable like that. I don't like this from the side. I like a better angle. I know there's a lot of room, but not quite enough. Not quite got enough pipe here. That's not my switch. That's not my switch. That's somebody that pressed it, I think. I think someone's pressed that. Yeah, somebody's shouting. Right, turns out that my van wasn't where they needed to get forklift out, so just had to de-pipe everything. This is awesome. Oh, it's going in sideways. So what you can't see on YouTube is how much pressure's on this pipe. Blowing it. Oh, it's blowing my arms now. Oh, this is going to be an awkward job. I don't think I'm going to get this done today. No. Quite hard. I need to get a better angle, but I can't get it. This is going to be time consuming. I think a nice time lapse will go down well for you. brand new. Not doing inside of them. Obviously there's propeller and stuff that we can damage, so just stay away from it. I don't know if I recorded that because I put camera down, but it started recording in van, so I don't know if I press record I'll stop record, so yeah, it's one of them things, isn't it? Ah, it's a right finish. Good state on it in here. There is a pinhole in it somewhere. I can't think where it was now. I mean, it's on its size at top of the ball bearing, probably the size of a pin. Not a pin, something size like that. It's not that big, but it's all the way through, and I can't think where it is now. I don't know where it is. Yeah, it's just told me that's not factory. Real job starts now, cleaning this out and getting it all off at boat. It's sat on top. Well, they did mask it off and put that sheet on, but it don't last 2 minutes, does it? No matter there that I'm blowing at it. A lot of dust on it. He's just told me there's one in March, I think he says. Same as this, but bottom's a bit different, so bottom will go. And it wants all on the side and then sides doing on it. It's going to be a big job. I'll worry about that another day. Oh, looks like we've got a pin oil. Oh no, that's when my pipes hit it. Usually when they start weeping like that means it's got oil in it and water's leaking out from inside. It's a splatter from me pulling my pipes in. Ah, like a brand new old one. Right, we'll catch you on next one. Oh, if you liked it, stick a thumbs up for us. And we're going to do what I call it. We're going to do a bit of a competition. I say competition. For everybody that's watched it to end, I'll put a link. I'll put a photo up about now, and then what we'll do is you can win that. You can win one of them hats that's customised to you if you guess how many hours I had involved in this. So first one that get, well, not first one, but I don't know. See a description on how we're going to work it, and we'll send you a hat, same as that. What we've got, what I call it, on picture, customised with our name on it and all. Look at this. All the way from Australia, other end of the world. It's fair dinkum. Cheers, Scott. Fits like a glove. Beautiful. Right, we'll catch you next one.